Today I am going to be doing the backward slime making challenge. So before I get started, you guys better subscribe, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to put the notification bells on. Ding! So further ado, let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to be putting my borax in. Let me put that to the side. And then I'm going to be putting my paint. I have silver paint. I am so sorry. But you guys, it is going to get harder, easier, and then harder. So, oh my god. And then I'm going to put my glue. Haroop. And then I'm going to mix it up. Whoop. I'm going to go in my hands. Oh my god, you guys. I think I overactivated it. I don't know. As I show you guys, this is my glop of slime. Oh no. Sorry guys, I have no idea what that was, but this might be someone outside. No one. That might be weird. But guys, I'm gonna neat this up. I have no idea what that was. But, So guys, I have been kneading this up. And I'm kind of getting to the consistency. But not really. But you guys, I'm going to knead this a little bit more. And I will be back. So you guys, I'm back. And I kind of overactivated my slime. And the reason I'm using one hand is because I'm filming with one because I don't have a filmer. But, so I can't really need it that much, but here it is. My Sawabe slime. So you guys, I'll be back getting all cleaned up and ready for the next one. So you guys, I'm back. And now we are going to be doing, wait, I think I see something. Do you guys see anything? Tell me if you see anything. But you guys, now I'm going to be making, holding. But now guys, I'm going to be making eyeball. Guys, I'm just going to open it up real quick. Okay guys, back. So now it's going to be eyeball. And now let me just put my borax in. Oh dang. Okay, so let me just. And here's the slime that it is. I guess the color didn't really show up because I think then I would put my eyeballs in. This is a weird challenge actually. Then I'm gonna put this in. Because I'm just gonna put this in. Okay, so now mix. Oh yeah, you guys. Oh no, you guys. Okay, so I'm doing it with my hands. Oh my. Oh my. Somewhat it's good, somewhat it's not. Before it gets too overactive, I'm gonna take it out. I am so sorry, guys. I just keep making overactivated slime. So if the camera's tilted, it's hard not to block it. Ha ha ha. I hope I could end. And you guys, I'm trying to get every last bit, but so I can get out. Guys, I'm gonna be right back when I mix this all together. Be right back. So guys, I'm back. And guys, this slime is overactivated too, so let me just put that with this pile. Oh, guys, I'm just gonna get ready for the next round. Be right back. So guys, I'm back. And right now, we're gonna be making glitter slime. And now, let me just put, I put my lesson and I should put this much. Because if you guys have not noticed, borax, and yes, I'm using borax, and borax is very strong. So you guys only want to use a little bit. So let's start. I already put my borax in. And now I'm going to put my glitter. Whoop. And now I'm going to put my glue. Bubble. Wow. It's a slime bubble, kinda. Ooh, okay. And now, let's mix it. Guys, glitter is my favorite. Because guys, look how shiny. It might be bad from the view. But you guys see this? It's so pretty. guys, I think this might be our first good one. After I put a little bit more activator. I'm gonna go with my hands. And guys, so I've gone with my hands, and it doesn't look that glittery. Sorry, I can't speak. But if you guys look really closely, you can kind of see glitter. Guys, I'll be back when I neat this all up. So guys, I'm back, and this is my finished product. But guys, I added one thing. And you guys have to guess what the thing I added. I'm going to give you 3 choices. Did I add more glue? Did I add more glitter? And what color glitter, if you guys think? Or did I add nothing? So guys, leave what you think I added in the comments down below. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay awesome, stay cool, bye.